I've never had fried rice, but once a tourist left a bottle of green tea here once, and it was okay.
Oh, oh Bob, you are so funny. You really make me laugh.
I'm glad you appreciate my humor, but we need to decide what's best for you. With the spring winds, it will be impossible for you to fly back to Japan.
Oh, I suppose I could stay in Idaho, but I'd rather stay with you.
I've heard there's another colony of sandhills that spends the entire year in a place called Florida. But it's very far away, and I don't know how to get there.
There must be some place that is not too warm and not too cold where we, or I, might stay for the next season. Oh, look! Those small birds are all flying that way.
Yes, some of the geese have begun to migrate. Our time is coming soon.
Praise the Raven! Come west, not north. We could stop in California and then make it to Japan. The working day is done. You are brave and strong. Take a chance on happiness. We could raise a hybrid chick or two. I am sure we will find there the perfect nest. I feel that I'll be safe with you. Let's fly far away across the sea. We'll feast there on rice and tea. Let us take to wing. Oh, so happy will I be if you will fly away with me. Let us take to wing. Oh, so happy will I be if you will fly away with me. It will be glorious. There are many islands where my parents can never find us, and there are rice fields everywhere and some wheat too. Our species is protected, and I don't think there are any predators.
No, that's impossible. As much as I would like an adventure, I cannot reject my instincts. I don't know what your life cycle is like in Japan, but in America, we cranes mate for life. We mate for life, for that's the sandhill way. We in family groups, together we must stay. While other birds I know may play around, we guard our nests together on the ground.
And that's the sandhill now. And our courtship shows in nods and bows. Though when we're chicks, we may go out on dates. When we are children,
You know I could never leave you and the baby, but sometimes I do feel trapped.
And how do you think I feel? We all have to play our parts in this sandhill drama. My instincts keep me in the role of devoted mate and mother. But even I dream of flying off to adventure somewhere new. I do understand, Bob.
Thank you, Sandy. You see, Highness, my mate does understand me.
Yes, well, in any case, this female is not what she claims.
What do you mean? Oh.
Yeah, how long exactly did you think that you could get away with the Japanese Princess Act? And really, the red stockings? Huh? I know who you really are.
I'm so embarrassed. How'd you find out?
Well, I was talking to one of the herons a little bit ago, and she told me there was a female that was from the refuge just north of here, left her mate, was seen flying south. So, you see, Bob, she's not even a real crane. We are genus Ardea. She is genus Grus. We are much too distant to ever interbreed, so why'd you do it?
I wasn't happy. My mate, Harry Heron, he didn't do his job guarding the nest when I went out to forage, and a hawk got our chick. Well, I just wanted to make him jealous, but I didn't mean to break up your family. I thought Harry would come after me by now.
You nearly caused a lot of trouble here. What's your real name, Chico?
Oh, it's just Chico, or sometimes Shorty. Hey, I was very small when I was young. I
Hey,
hope you both can forgive me.
look up there. There's a strange heron circling overhead.
Oh.
News you were here must have reached from Socorro. You know, the gossip, it travels fast on the Rio Grande.
I'm sure it's him. Well, I'd better get out to the meadow so he can find me. Oh, thank you, Bob and Sandy. I'm sorry I caused so much trouble, and I won't ever try it again, but it was an adventure. Hey, maybe I'll see you during the migration. We fly north too. Hey, Harry, come on, get me over here. Come on.
So, how do I look as a Japanese princess? I could, get some red stockings if that turns you on.
Well, you know I really prefer fishnets. Don't go changing just to please me. I love you just the way you are. And don't try to make me jealous by flying off.
I won't. Oh, look, there's Jeannie with the baby. I'll be right back.
I'm one lucky bird. This is going to be a day to remember.
So, here's our Denny Crane. We hope that he'll be a veterinarian, but he wants to be a lawyer. Well, let's just go rejoin the flock.
We hope you have enjoyed our show, but now it's time for us to go. So do come back another day before the real birds fly away.
The Bosque is beautiful in fall, and there is room here for us all.
I managed to steal the show, didn't I?